Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys my newest creation, which is a Passover Haggadah for kids, for having a family-friendly, kid-friendly Seder. It's called the Just My Size Passover Seder. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I've been working on it for months. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know I also have an adult Haggadah. This beauty over here that I think I've been selling for 2 years on my Etsy shop. The time flies by. And the most requested item I always get asked about for Passover is a kid Haggadah. A kid-friendly Haggadah for a short and sweet, family-friendly Seder. So that's why I created this. It said simple and meaningful, 15 minutes. There are songs in here, so you can extend it, probably to 20 minutes if you want, or go a little bit faster and skip some songs, but it's meant to be done in a way that is appropriate for young kids. You could also use it for older kids, of course, but it's really designed for young families. It's got all the core components of the Seder, all the blessings that need to be said, but it's written in a very fun, easy to read format. And the flow of the Seder is simple and sweet, gets through everything that you need and all the important bits for kids that they really will remember and find meaningful, and gets it done quickly enough that it stays with them, it stays with their attention. So it's really only 5 pages. 5 pages from beginning to end for the full Seder, Kids Seder experience. And then the 6th page is after the meal, after the Afikomen, the cup of Elijah. That's really it. And then I have a little coloring page. And here is a bonus for you guys, the Passover checklist. Everything you need for your Seder plate, and also why we have it there. So if your kids ask any questions, you know how to answer them. Okay, so this is available on my Etsy shop, along with, of course, the adult Haggadah, which also has a checklist of everything you need for your Seder. The adult Haggadah is also not a super long one. I would say a 20 to maybe 30-minute Seder with songs, but it's written for adults. But when I put this out, everyone's like, but what about a kid's Haggadah? So, okay, I made one. I love it. I've been working on it for months. It's available on my Etsy shop as a digital download, just like all the other products I have there, which means you buy it once, and then you can download it and print it and share it however many times you want. So you can print all the copies you need for everyone coming to your Seder. You can print it however you like. I printed this one on FedEx.com. They do like spiral bounding. You can do it whatever you want. All I ask is that you don't print it for 150 people and sell it to your synagogue kind of thing, but I know you guys know that. But if you do want to do something like that, I have actually worked with people who wanted to do that, and I give them a special rate for that kind of thing, so just message me. But once it's yours, you can do what you want with it and have it each year for your Seder. So I printed out enough copies for the families that we host for Seder, and then we'll just use this forever. But I'm so excited. I actually, speaking of which, I have hosted Seder for as long as I can remember. My mom hosted it growing up every year, and then when I moved to the East Coast, I hosted. And so I have always created my own Haggadah, which is how I got the idea to make this one in the first place, because I had always made my own. So I was like, let me just make it in a format that you guys can use it as well. And then now that I have little ones, I had actually made a kid-friendly 5-minute Haggadah, because my kids were 3 at the oldest at that point. Now my oldest is 7. So I have been playing around with a kid-friendly Haggadah for years, and now I finally feel like it's at the point where I can share it with you guys too. So my kids are 7 and under. It's definitely for preschool to younger elementary school, or for families that just really want a quick and simple Seder, but that's also meaningful, fun, and enjoyable. And that's it. I'm going to link it on my Etsy shop in the description. All the links will be there. Thank you so much for supporting me. As you guys know, I'm a full-time content creator, or if you didn't know, I'm a full-time content creator and stay-at-home mom, and selling these products on my Etsy shop is a huge part of my business. So I'm so thankful so many people were like, I just bought this to support you, but I actually love it. I'm like, thank you. I also have a Hanukkah cookbook up there and an Instagram guide and some labels. I got a bunch of stuff there, but my two main best-selling things that people love the most are the Passover Haggadahs, and they're the ones that are very, very special to me too. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. I love you. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!